Hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I just gonna explain you how to take square video size in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly, go to a new sequence and here is my sequence settings. Now just click on this settings icon over this, just tap on it and here you can see sizes. You just mention some size like 2000 or 5000 or 1000. So if you need a square size, then you need to enter both horizontal and vertical same. So after entering this, just click on this OK button over here and then your new square video is ready. So this is how you can create. So thank you for watching.